Well, haven't made a video in a while, so this is one I've been meaning to at least put an attempt towards for a long time. What we have here is what I believe is a South Bend tool post grinder, and found some paperwork on it that closely matches it. The number 85 electric grinder, I believe it was made by General Electric Schenectady. That was just some information I found online. Not entirely sure about that, but got this thing on eBay, and there's a few interesting things that I kind of wanted to point out here about it. As far as I know, it's an original, in the original paint, and not only that, but I don't know if you can see this or not, but it has I believe it's the original belt on here. Even says South Bend Lathe Works 4522-A, and I believe that's the original belt that probably came with the machine. Gates TrueFlex 1220. It says, I guess it's a Gates 96, but pretty interesting that you got that South Bend Lathe Works designation on there. I thought that was pretty cool. General Electric motor, quarter horse, 60 cycles, 1725 RPMs, 115, just standard plug-in for the wall here. The cord's kind of old and probably going to need to be replaced, but just got the standard plug-in on it. It's turned on and off with the switch over here, on-off switch. Got some accessories with it. I had to look up one of these. I wasn't sure what this little guy was when it came with it, but I believe it's the adjustable spring cutter stop right by my thumb there, and not entirely sure how that even works yet, but probably worth the $2. Somebody paid for it way back when. And got a few other attachments that I still have to figure out. I'm sure that's some sort of adjustment so that it's got some swing on it, and these look like inside grinders, and probably something to mount on it. Looks like something to mount right on the bed there with the V-groove in it. But I was actually going to take this thing apart. I did run it very, very briefly, but just to see if it works, and it does actually spin up, but I don't want to do too much with it because you see these little Gitz oilers here. Who knows when the last time this thing was oiled. There's one on either end of the motor bearings there, and I'm going to take it all apart and make sure that it's lubed up. But I guess there's one more piece here that I missed. Looks like it's the part that goes in between the bedways and then tightens down. Probably has something to do with this piece here. More than likely that goes through there and tightens down on the bed. My best guess at the moment. I'm going to get this thing cleaned up, lubed up, and give her a shot on the lathe.